Chinese design studios YSPractice and Output partnered up to create a series of 3 multi-sensory installations for the Adidas flagship store in Beijing. These interactive spaces combine the digital with the physical and provide visitors with personalized experiences to connect the local community to the Adidas brand identity. In a world where e-commerce has become flat and uninspiring, customers crave more. Meaningful connections, personalized experiences, and radical convenience. In this video series, Frame explores projects that aim to push the boundaries of what retail is, bridging the gap between digital and physical while deepening relationships with customers. This is Frame Views, Connected Retail.
So we designed a series of phygital experience for Adidas flagship store. The goal of this whole experience is to add virtual and interactive layers to the physical shopping experience and also have stronger connections with the brand. We have 3 experiences. The first one is called Hype. It's actually a voting station, display Adidas featured products. Customer can go there and scan the code to vote for their favorite products. There should be a big thanks to our partner Output. They were doing a really good job on putting together this digital art material. The customer will win a lottery by voting on those tubes. It's gonna be either a chance to buy a limited edition products from Adidas or buying some newly released product in advance. The second experience, Talk of Town, is actually an AR portal where people can interact and look for Adidas community events. Here again, Output did a very awesome job designing digital art to attract people. Adidas has their own sports community and they have a lot of events going on around the city, like yoga class or marathon. This information usually only shown on their apps. So many people doesn't know there's a lot of community sports events going on. So this is a chance to tell the people, to tell a larger group of people, we have those events and you can participate, you can be part of our community. And the third one is called Sun Garden, and the idea is to invite customers to co-create a music video with Adidas. When you enter the floor, there will be an Adidas avatar designing by Output, again, shadows your motion. And the second part is you can edit the background music. There will be 2 open tracks on the background music. There's instrument played by this robot arms with Adidas products. And the customers, they can record their voice and mix with background music. The game aspect will trigger the customer to register membership, stay longer in the store, and have a special memory here.
With the advent of online shopping, physical retail has to differentiate itself. All over the world, spaces are emerging that focus on providing experiences and memories, aimed at creating long-term loyalty, rather than just the selling of individual products.
They're actually looking for the sensory experiences, for the memory. So I believe we have to use multiple tools to really activate those sensory experiences. It's very important to understand how shopping behavior evolves through times and by culture, and how it shapes retail design. So we have to stay connected with the end user and the market in order to find the real needs and the future trend.
The success of highly personalized retail experiences is a product of China's recent history. The increase in individual wealth has widened people's ability and desire to express and differentiate themselves from others.
I'm really talking about China. The growth of self-confidence and needs of self-expression is becoming important, especially the younger generation. They're growing up while the economy booms. So when the welfare is not a concern, they care about how to make their life more exciting, which comes from unique experience and individuality.